कि मैं ना न्यू क्लोथ लाई हूँ मार्केट से बर्थडे का।
Very nice, Naya. Very nice. Wow. Oh, wow. Very beautiful. I like it. Very beautiful. Very nice. Good.
Come. टपिंग पे जो बातें शनाया ने न्यू क्लोथ्स परचेज भी कर लिए। Shania, have got the new clothes. Shania, have got the new clothes.
He's saying yes.
दिवाली शॉपिंग हो भी गई है। हम आज करेंगे।
अभी
नाम को बोलो। We will do tomorrow. नाम को बताओ। We will do today. आज जाऊँगा शॉपिंग।
Good morning, Kian. हाँ. Kian, have you drink your milk? Milk पी लिया? पी लो. Quickly finish it. Good morning. Yes, Adrita. Good morning. Yes, Adrita. Wow, I like it. It's very nice, Adrita. Ayansh, good morning.
Good morning.
Ayansh.
How are you?
How are you, Ayansh? You're fine. That's wonderful. Very good. Adrita, I like your watch. It's beautiful.
Good morning, Duppy.
Can say good morning.
Thank you, madam. Good morning, Duppy.
Morning, Sanaya.
Good morning,
How are you?
Good morning. Good morning. What happened?
I'm fine. Hello, Sinaya.
पता नहीं कैसे बना क्या
I don't know what.
You good morning. Yes, Zoya. Yes, Zoya. How are you, Zoya?
कैसी हो तुम? बोलो ना।
Okay, Dian, what happened, Baba? Dianu, what happened? Very good morning, Zoya.
Good morning, Mama. Good morning, Gimme. Sanaya.
Anji. Yes.
Good morning, Gimme. Good morning, Kian Gupta.
Yes, Kian. Kian, yes, say, I am listening to you. Say.
My friend Immi. Immi.
Very nice. Good morning. Eliza, good morning. What happened, Eliza? Why are you crying?
Hello.
क्या हुआ Eliza को? What happened, Eliza? And Dianu is smiling now. Dianu. हाँ, Dianu. Anji. Dian, are you okay? Where is your smiling face? Where is your smiling face? This is not a smiling face. Acha, who will show me which is a smiling face? Let's smile together. Chalo, let's smile. You get smiling, Diane is smiling. Adrita is smiling. Oh, Zoyu is also smiling. Shinaya, where's your smiling face? Okay. Shinaya is having a laughing face. And where is Diya's smiling face? Avishani, where's your smiling face? Ishi? Smile. Okay. Okay, good. And where is Eliza's smiling face? That is not a smiling face, Eliza and Diane. Where is your smiling face, Eliza? Oh, wow, the Barbie. Is that a Barbie? Now she's smiling. Wonderful.
अरे बार्बी टीचर एल्सा है वो.
Elsa hai. Okay, okay, okay. Understood. Thank you. Wow. Acha, Eliza has got a new Elsa. Wow, Eliza. Chalo, wonderful. And Diane is playing peekaboo. Diane, peekaboo. Are you playing peekaboo? Peekaboo. Okay. Very nice. Yes. Okay. Diane, have you finished? Kian, have you finished your milk? Ha, Kianu? No, not yet. Finish it. Okay. You can finish your milk. Till then, we'll be ready, everyone. Yay! Wonderful. Chalo, everyone, join your hands. Everyone. And Kian, you finish your milk. Rest, everyone, join your hands. Close your eyes. Yeah, Kian, you can finish your milk. That's okay. You can finish your milk. Okay. Join your hands and start the prayer, everyone. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tatsya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om. Dear God, thank you for a new day. Help me to be kind and good. God bless me, my family, my friends, my teachers, and everyone. Amen. Open your eyes and hands down. Advik, good morning. And I love your haircut. That's beautiful. You're looking very smart. Advik, good morning. Just a second, Advik, huh? Okay. Now you can speak, Advik. Now you can speak.
Thank you. Good morning.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning. You're welcome, Advik. Okay, everyone. So today what we are going to do is we are going to learn about insects. Okay? आप लोगों ने already पढ़ चुका होगा, but then we'll study about insects today. Okay, everyone? Okay. So I have got this book of general awareness, everyone, which you all have, and we are going to study insects. Yes, insects. Can you see insects? Yes. Acha. Now let's see what all insects do we have here. Okay, everyone. So everyone on the screen, please. Everyone look on the screen, please. Yes, very good, Ishani. Very nice. Good. Ishani, can you see the insects here? Can you? Yes? Can you see the? Yes? So can you tell me which insect is this? Which insect is this? Can you tell me? Ha, exactly. Cockroach. Okay. So now, huh? Okay, who is he? Okay. So can you tell me, everyone, where do we find cockroach? हमें cockroach कहाँ दिखाई देता है ज़्यादातर? So tell me. In the kitchen, Advik. Where? Okay, good, Advik. ठीक है, very nice. Who? Shanaya wants to speak. Do you want to speak?
Dragonfly, very good.
Okay. Okay, Diane. You know Diane and everyone. We find cockroaches in the dirty place. Where do we find cockroaches? In the दो तीन legs।
मैम
हाँ ओके से दियान क्या 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 बोलो, say it again। Okay। Okay, yes, so we find cockroaches where? We find cockroaches in the dirty place, okay? So now can anyone tell me how many legs does a cockroach have? Ayansh, do you want to tell us how many legs does a cockroach have?
8 legs.
8 legs?
Wait, it's not an arachnoid.
8 legs not
Arachnoid
No,
it's an insect. It's an insect.
insect।
हाँ, how many? कितने legs होते हैं insect के?
Butterfly is an insect.
हाँ, butterfly
और
is the
ma'am भी
insect,
asking,
but ma'am is asking you how
how
many
many
legs
legs?
does a cockroach have?
बताओ।
Tell.
Cockroach have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
हाँ, good, 6 legs।
One.
Shinaya, do you want to say something?
Ladybug।
Yes, go ahead. Say।
हमें कॉकरोच दिखते बाथरूम में।
Exactly. Basically, we find cockroaches in the dirty places. Okay. 6 legs. Yes, exactly. Good. Good. So everyone, now can you tell me, हम लोग को कैसे पता चलता है कि what are insects? Insects क्या होते हैं? कोई मुझे बता सकता है insects क्या होते हैं? या हमें कैसे पता चलता है कि ये insect है? तो मैम आपको बताती है, ओके? जनरली इंसेक्ट्स के क्या होते हैं? स्टिंग्स होते हैं, ठीक है? स्टिंग्स होते हैं जिससे वो क्या अपना जो बोलते हैं, स्टिंग को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? जो उनका डंक होता है, जैसे एंट्स का होता है, बीज का होता है, तो हमें कैसे पता चलता है? उनके स्टिंग से फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, देन उनके टेंटिकल्स होते हैं। अब टेंटिकल्स क्या होते हैं? आई विल टेल यू, ठीक है? कैन यू सी द बटरफ्लाई हियर? यस, उसके ये जो ऐसे ये आ रहे हैं, ये दीज आर नोन एज टेंटिकल्स। सो जनरली जो इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं उनके स्टिंग होते हैं, टेंटिकल्स होते हैं, शेल्स होते हैं और थिन विंग्स होते हैं। क्या होते हैं? विंग्स। विंग्स को क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? पंख। ओके, सो कैन यू सी द ड्रैगन फ्लाई विद द विंग्स? यस, दिस इज थिन विंग्स। ओके, सो इनके विंग्स होते हैं, प्लस 6 to 8 लेग्स होते हैं। ओके एवरीवन, तो हमें इंसेक्ट्स कैसे पता चलते हैं? उनके स्टिंग होते हैं, टेंटिकल्स होते हैं, 6 to 8 लेग्स होते हैं और थिन विंग्स होती हैं, ठीक है? इससे हमें पता चलता है कि ये इंसेक्ट्स है, ठीक है? अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? और कुछ इंसेक्ट्स के क्या होते हैं? शेल्स होते हैं। क्या होते हैं? शेल्स। क्या होते हैं? शेल्स। ओके, तो ये सबसे पता चलता है कि ये जो है दिस इज एन इंसेक्ट। ओके, अब आप मुझे बताओ, अद्रिता, विल यू टेल मैम? अच्छा अद्रिता, कैन यू टेल मैम, डू यू थिंक टाइगर इज एन इंसेक्ट?
Tiger is an insect.
Is tiger as an insect?
Insect?
Tiger is an animal.
Good. Tiger is an animal. Very good. Now, Kian.
Ladybug is an insect.
Kian, can you tell ma'am, is butterfly an insect?
Can butterfly insect होता है?
Butterfly होता है गार्डन में।
बटरफ्लाई गार्डन में होता है और बटरफ्लाई इंसेक्ट होता है? होता है
मैम।
तो कैसे पता चलेगा बटरफ्लाई इंसेक्ट है? क्योंकि उसके टेंटिकल्स हैं, है ना? टेंटिकल्स ऐसे
ये होते हैं ना, सिर्फ इसको बोलते हैं टेंटिकल्स है,
ओके,
है ना?
हाँ मम्मा।
और इसके विंग्स
होते
हैं।
हैं।
हाँ मम्मा।
मम्मा नहीं, मैम को सुनो बेटा।
तो और
मैम?
होते हैं। हाँ बेब, हाँ बोलो, हाँ बोलो अच्छा एक सेकंड कियान, हाँ अब बोलो। ओके, ठीक है। नाउ दियान, आप मुझे बताओगे कोई ऐसा इंसेक्ट जो रेड कलर का होता है और उसके बॉडी में रेड स्पॉट्स होते हैं? ध्यान,
बताओ, which has got red color and black spots, which insect?
Ladybug.
ladybird. Very nice. So we have a ladybird here, everyone. Can you see? Now, who will tell me what is the shape of this ladybird? ये कौन सी shape का ladybird? Just raise your hands. Just raise your hands.
Circle.
Ashanaya,
मत पिलाया करो यार
बताओ.
क्लास के बीच में
Ashanaya, बताओ. What is the shape of the ladybird? What is the shape of the ladybird?
Oval shape.
Very good, very good. So everyone,
ओवल
here we are going to I am going to tell you about insects, okay? The varieties of insects and where can we find them, okay? So first was cockroach. Can you see everyone? The cockroach that is found in dirty places, okay? And it has 6 legs and 2 tentacles, okay everyone? Now let's come to the bee. Can you see the bee here? Everyone, can you see the bee? Ishani, Avi, Adrita, can you see the bee here? Honey bee. This is a honey bee. Okay, it is of yellow or brown color. Yes, and then honey bee gives us
Wow.
honey. Yes, honey bee gives us honey, है ना? हनी देता है ना हमें हनी बी. एंड ये कहाँ कहाँ रहते हैं? हनी बीज कहाँ रहते हैं? अद्विक, do you want to tell us where does a honey bee live? Beehive. It is called a beehive. जहाँ पे वो लोग रहते हैं. The name, जैसे we have a house. Yes, in the same way, honey bee also have a house and it is called beehive. Okay, अब beehive में honey bees रहते हैं and they produce honey. वो क्या बनाते हैं वहाँ पे? honey बनाते हैं. Okay, Advik, understood? Yes, understood? Good. Now, Zoya, can you tell me one insect with very colorful wings? Can you tell me? Which insect has a colorful wings and looks very beautiful? कौन सा है बताओ? Think. Eliza, do you want to tell us? Zoya, do you want to tell us? Eliza, can you tell ma'am which is that colorful insect? Which is that insect which has colorful wings? हाँ, what is that? Speak. What is it called? Speak. क्या बोलते हैं उसे? Butterfly. Yes. So it is a butterfly. Okay. Now, acha. Now come here and see. Everyone on the screen, please. Look here. Can you see this green colored insect? Everyone. Dian, can you see this insect? Yes.
Grasshopper.
Exactly. That's a grasshopper. Eliza, say.
What does it do?
Yes, please go ahead. Drink water. Okay. So that is a grasshopper. अब grasshopper क्या करता है बताओ? Grasshopper हमें कहाँ दिखता है ज़्यादातर? We find it in our garden. कहाँ मिलता है ज़्यादातर हमें? In our garden. Yeah, do you want to say something? बोलो बोलो बोलो. हाँ. Grasshopper Dian stays in the garden. ज्यादातर वो कहाँ किस चीजों में रहता है? On green things, okay? जैसे green grass, it stays there. Okay, everyone? Yes, Zoya, exactly. That's a grasshopper. Very good. Now.
दादी ने तो मेरा गार्डन नंगा बना दिया. उसमें वो आने लग गया हनी बी.
हनी भी आने लग गया है. So that's good, no, Eliza? Then you will get honey. If there वहाँ पे अगर honey भी आने लग गया, then you can get honey also, isn't it? Yes.
अरे
हाँ.
मेरे को हनी है.
Honey.
दो चाय में पीते हैं.
हाँ, दूध में डाल के पीते हैं. हाँ, very nice, good. ठीक है. Okay. Now everyone, look here. Which insect is this? This is a dragonfly. Which insect is this? Dragonfly. Yes. अब dragonfly क्या होता है? Who will tell me? What is a dragonfly?
Me.
Yes. So dragonfly generally doesn't. I mean, it doesn't come near this human body. वो ज़्यादातर they stay away from the human body. Okay. So they are the insects which is generally found in the dry places. Okay. जब हमें बहुत गर्म dry places और okay, Zoya, I can see the ladybird that you have colored. That's beautiful. Okay, so dragonfly generally stays in a dry place, or when it is very hot, we find dragonflies. Okay, everyone. So dragonflies क्या होता है? Yes, Dian, very nice, nice, good. So dragonflies क्या होता है? We generally. Advik, do you want to ask something? Advik, do you want to ask something? Or do you want to say something? Say.
Louder.
Nothing, ma'am.
Nothing. So do you know what is a dragonfly, Advik?
Yes, when it's hot, we find the dragonfly.
Exactly. Good. Okay. So when it is very hot or when there is a dry place, I mean deserted place, then we find dragonflies. Okay. Then comes an ant. अब who knows what is an ant? ant को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? कौन बताएगा मुझे? ant को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
मैं
हाँ, okay. Go ahead.
यार हिंदी में एंड
ant को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं?
एंड जाके मम्मा एंड जाके आप एंड के लिए क्या लेके
Anyone, go ahead.
एंड के लिए क्या लेके जाते हो?
ध्यान and sugar लेके जाते हैं क्या?
एंड के लिए
हाँ, good. नहीं, क्या लेके जाता है? बताओ फिर ध्यान, क्या लेके जाता है?
क्या लेके जाते हो ध्यान एंड के लिए? क्या लेके जाते हो आप? मम्मा थोड़ा सा दे दो एंड को खिलाने के लिए. क्या लेके जाते हो? हमको बताओ ना, मैम को पता ही नहीं है.
हाँ, मुझको
हम
नहीं
doesn't know
पता.
ना.
Don't know. क्या खाता है ant? क्या खाता है ant?
क्या देखते जानू?
हाँ, go ahead.
अभी जो उस पे ना तुम क्लास करा रही है इसकी मैं खाली थोड़ी बैठी हूँ.
अच्छा, आटा. Okay, understood. Okay, very nice. So, okay. Now, Advik,
You get back that shell. It belongs to the America. Anything. Zuma, activate the claws and we'll pull out that.
हाँ, अद्विक, go ahead. Tell me. हम लोग ant को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं, अद्विक?
चींटी.
हाँ, exactly, चींटी. Now, Shinaya, can you tell ma'am ant कौन से colors का होता है?
Black is black.
Black and red. Yes, exactly. So we the ants generally like sweet things like sugar. Yes, we generally find them near sugars. Okay, जो भी मीठा चीज होता है, we will generally find them there only. Okay, red ants also and black ants also. Okay, thank you, Shinaya. Nice answer. Very good. Now, who will tell me what is a mosquito? Mosquito क्या होता है? कौन बताएगा? Mosquito तो हम fight भी करते
You know
हैं.
what is mosquito?
हाँ?
मच्छर.
Mosquito, yes. And mosquitoes bites.
With
Yes,
Dada and
mosquito
Mama.
bites also. Yeah, bites us. Okay, so that is a mosquito. And now, what is a house?
Why find it powerful?
Just
Because
fly, but it is a house fly. And what is a house fly? हाउस फ्लाई इज अ मक्खी. क्या बोलते हैं हम हाउस फ्लाई को? दियान क्या बोलते हैं हाउस फ्लाई को?
हाउस फ्लाई तो जानती क्या है? जानती क्या है? मेरी फ्रेंड है.
That is a monkey and we find it in our house. Okay, मतलब generally we find it in our place only, but then कभी-कभी we find it in our house or in our surroundings. Yes, Advik, say Advik, say.
when we find all the insects in the home, you will be very tired.
No.
Haan, the insects would be tired, I suppose, because they will be continuously flying, isn't it? Yes?
Louder.
Yes.
Yes. So, okay. So, this was about insects, everyone. Now, I'll take a quick revision of that, okay? So, it's how do we recognize that this is an insect? आप लोग क्या देख के बताओगे कि ये तो इंसेक्ट है? कैसे पता चलेगा? जब हमें दिखेगा कि उनका स्टिंग है, ओके, जिससे वो हमें बाइट करते हैं, जैसे हनी बीज और मस्किटो हमें बाइट करते हैं तो दे हैव अ स्टिंग, ओके, देन दे हैव अ टेंटिकल्स, ओके, लाइक वी हैव ईयर्स, सो इंसेक्ट्स हैव टेंटिकल्स, ओके, देन दे हैव 6 to 8 feet, I mean 6 to 8 legs, and then they have thin wings. ओके, थिन विंग्स किस किस के पास होते हैं? ऑलमोस्ट सबके पास होते हैं, जैसे हाउस फ्लाई, बटरफ्लाई, ड्रैगन फ्लाई. यस, सो with that we will recognize that these are insects. Okay everyone, understood? कियान ठीक है, समझ में आया? ओके कियान, क्या हुआ? Your mood is all right? आपका मूड ठीक है? नहीं, क्या हुआ? What happened? कियान से? अच्छा गुस्सा मत हो, मैम को आप एक आंसर दोगे कियान? Don't get angry. You answer
बोला
ma'am.
शाम को बहुत सारे.
भारती नहीं माना.
ठीक है, बोलो.
Diyan, Kian, good way of fulfilling your wishes. Very good. Acha, Kian, can you tell me which is that most colorful insect? I mean, which has most colorful wings? कौन सा insect है जिसके बहुत colorful wings होते हैं? Which is that insect?
बहुत सारे कलर्स होते हैं, बताओ.
ये देखो, आप ये देख के मुझे बताओ which is
बहुत सारे colors.
हाँ, but which is the
बहुत सारे colors.
कौन सा होता है?
okay, but ये insect कौन सा है? बताओ.
Butterfly.
हाँ, exactly. So butterfly has colorful wings. Okay. Now, who will tell me which insect gives us honey? हमें honey कौन देता है?
हनी कौन देता है?
हाँ, अद्रिता, go ahead.
कौन देता है? अरे देता है वो. Honey bee.
Honey bee, exactly.
Honey bee.
I heard, Eliza. Yes, exactly. I heard you. Good. Okay. Now, Eliza, can you tell me which is that insect which has black dots on its body? Which is that insect which is red in color and have black dots? Ha, good, very good. Now, Ishani Mohan, Ishi? Okay.
अभी यहाँ पे कमांड बुला रही है. ओए, no fighting. Now they are fighting.
Ishani,
I think it's
अभी
easy.
आपने क्यों मारा? ऐसे नहीं करते हैं. और इसी डोंट फाइट बैक प्लीज डोंट फाइट बैक. गलत बात. ओके, अभी आप नहीं हिट करोगे ईशानी को. ओके Now, Ishani, can you tell me which is this insect? ये कौन सा
Sunny, what is
insect?
this?
Tell me.
What is this?
Ishani,
इधर आ
tell
बच्चों,
me what is this?
What is this?
Ishi,
What is this?
How
tell me
big
what
is it?
Which insect is this? कोई नाम बताइए.
That is how much is it?
हाँ, that is grasshopper. Yes, that is grasshopper. Yes. Okay. Now, Zoya will tell me. Zoya. Zoya, will you tell ma'am? Where did you go? Zoya, हाँ. Will you tell ma'am, Zoya, हमें हमारे घर में कौन से इंसेक्ट दिखते हैं? हमारे घर पे हमें कौन कौन से इंसेक्ट्स दिखते हैं? बताओ. बताओ. कोई भी इंसेक्ट which we find in our home. बताओ. हाँ? हाँ, who is it honeybee? honeybee किसको घर पे दिखते हैं? एक मिनट. honeybee किसको घर पे दिखते हैं? ओके, जोया टेल मी, हमें घर पे कौन से इंसेक्ट्स दिखते हैं? फिर दियान, आई विल आस्क यू, हमें घर पे कौन से इंसेक्ट्स दिखते हैं? ओके, बी प्रिपेयर्ड. ओके जोया, टेल मी. अच्छा जोया, कैन यू टेल मी, डू वी फाइंड ग्रास हॉपर्स इनसाइड आवर होम? क्या हमें ग्रास हॉपर घर पे दिखते हैं? नो. देन वेयर डू वी फाइंड इट? कहाँ दिखते हैं हमें ग्रास हॉपर्स? टेल मी, कहाँ दिखते हैं? हाँ, exactly, on the grass. Good. Now, अच्छा दियान, you tell me. दियान, हमें घर पे कौन से इंसेक्ट्स दिखते हैं? You tell me. हमें घर पे कौन से इंसेक्ट्स दिखते हैं? बताओ.
इंसेक्ट्स दिखते हैं हमारे गार्डन में. वी हैव सो मेनी इंसेक्ट्स.
हाँ. Tell me. घर में या गार्डन में? Tell me. What all insects do we find there? Tell me. हाँ, बताओ. कोई भी
गार्डन में कौन कौन से मिलते हैं हमको? जब आप शाम को वो करते हो, वाटर देते हो, कौन कौन से दिखते हैं? जानी,
Come on.
आपको क्या क्या दिखता है गार्डन में? Which insects? Grasshopper दिखता है? Grasshopper, butterfly. We can't put words in his mouth. ना वो बोलेगा अपने आप, otherwise no.
That's okay, Diyan. कोई बात. Now, Ayansh, you tell ma'am, Ayansh, which is your favorite insect, Ayansh? Dapi, will you tell ma'am
What is your favorite insect?
Ant.
ant? This is your ant.
Yes.
Is your favorite insect?
Yes.
Yes. And why do you like ant?
You like ants?
Yes, I like ant because a man को खाना देते.
Acha, because you can feed them. Very good. Okay, nice. Very good. And can you tell me?
हमारा मुंह के पास जाते हैं.
अच्छा, okay. Wow. और आप सबको खिलाते हो खाना? क्या खाना खिलाते हो?
Look up.
मैं सब कुछ खाता हूँ.
तुम खाते नहीं हो. What do you give to ants? Ants को क्या देते हो?
आटा.
हाँ, आटा खिलाते हो. Okay, good. Very nice.
आटा को आटा ही अच्छा लगता है.
हाँ, बस आटा ही अच्छा लगता है. Okay, good.
और कुछ नहीं अच्छा लगता है.
ठीक है. तो आप उनको कभी शुगर ट्राई करना ना. शुगर खिलाओगे क्या? एक बार आप शुगर खिलाना एक बार, ठीक है? फिर मैम को बताना
शुगर खिलाया?
अच्छा लगा कि नहीं.
हाँ, शुगर तो खिलाया मैंने.
तो फिर
खिलाया?
खाया उन्होंने?
शुगर अच्छा लगा क्या?
मिक्स करा पहले.
मिक्स किया?
हाँ.
हाँ. Okay.
मम्मा मैंने तुमको रोलर.
अच्छा, I'll do it.
Okay,
What
nice.
ma'am is asking.
Dapi, very good. Now, Dapi, can you tell me any insect which is of red color and has black spots on it? कौन सा insect है वो?
Spider.
No, like
Spider.
which has got red color and which has got black spots.
हाँ.
Ladybug.
Ladybug. Good. Okay. Now, Shinaya, can you tell me your favorite insect? Which is your favorite insect?
Ladybug.
Ladybug. Why?
Ladybug.
Why do you like it? Why do you like ladybug?
Ladybug.
हाँ.
हाथ में चलता है.
हाथों में चलता है.
ऐसे
ऐसे ऐसे चलता है. Okay, good. Okay, good. And Advik, can you tell me which is your favorite insect, Advik? Tell me. Which is your favorite insect? Which you like to see?
Like lizard.
Advik likes lizard. Advik, you like lizard?
I like ladybug.
You
Okay,
like
teacher.
ladybug? Very good. Why do you like ladybug?
I don't know.
I don't know.
You don't know because it is beautiful? Because it is red in color and beautiful? Advik, what did you just say? Don't say it, okay? Everyone will hear you. Okay. Okay, good, Advik. Good. ठीक है. Okay. Because you can say I like ladybug because it is red in color and I like red color. Yes, you can say that.
But
Huh? But
then everyone is very funny and be very angry.
who will be very
Okay.
angry? I am scared, okay? If you will be very angry, I'll be scared, okay? So don't get angry from me, okay?
Why are you not talking to me?
I am talking to you, Adrita. I am coming to you only. After Advik, I was coming to you only, Adrita. I am so sorry. Yes, Adrita. Can you tell ma'am, Adrita, which is your favorite insect? Which insect do you like?
My favorite insect is cockroach.
Cockroach? Why do you like cockroach? It is so scary. Cockroach is so
I
scary.
like cockroach so much.
Why you like cockroach so much? Why, Adrita? Why do you like cockroach so much? Tell me. Everyone,
Because I love cockroach.
because you like the color of the cockroach? Huh?
Brown color.
Brown color. Okay, good, Adrita. This is the very first time I heard someone liking a cockroach, but that is very brave of you. Very brave of you, Adrita. Very good.
You're pretty nice.
Okay, I'm not speaking. Thank you to ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, Adrita.
Bye-bye.
So everyone,
Not
that
doing
would be
it.
all for today. Thank you for sharing your favorite insects with me. And thank you, Adrita, for the cockroach. Thank you. And what you all have to do today is you have to go home. I mean, you are already at home. I'm so sorry. You have to revise insects today. Okay, everyone? Okay? So, okay, everyone. Thank you for listening. Guppy, thank you for listening.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
you want to see Diane's face? Actually, ma'am, Adrita wants to see whether Diane is smiling or not.
Diane, Adrita wants to see that you're smiling or not.
Oh, I think it is disconnected.
See, Adrita, Diane is smiling.
Aditya, Dhyan is smiling and he has so mood swings in the morning.
This-
That's why he is
Diane
like that.
Things, Adrita.
Otherwise, if you will do video calling with him, he is full on mood.
So thank you, everyone. Thank you, Diane, for attending the class. Happy,
Aditya
thank
is,
you.
is
And do take care of yourself.
All
Okay?
smile.
Keep wearing warm clothes and socks. Don't forget to wear socks, okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
You have wear socks or not?
Ma'am.
Bye, Kabir.
Bye.
Bye, Ayanch. Yes, Zoya. Yes, Shanaya. Say, Shanaya. Okay, Shanaya. Bye. Okay, Zoya.
Bye.
Wanted to show you this lady.
I ask Shnaya.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, Advik. Yes.
Good morning, When Mama being scared with the laser, I don't be scared with the laser. Run away.
Scared of lizard? Really? You are not scared of lizard?
Nope.
Nope. I am very much scared of lizard. The next time I find a lizard, I'll call you, okay? Because I am very scared of lizard, okay? Will you help, ma'am, to put the lizard out of the house?
Like your board. Okay, teacher, call me when you're
Okay, call me, ma'am, when you see the lizard.